Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a library and event, then a project with the right resolution and codec so playback and exports match your delivery. Import files now, drag or use file import, and consolidate media if you want faster performance. Once imported, tag clips with keywords and ratings so you can find selects quickly. This saves hours later. Make sure to set cache and background render preferences to prevent stalls. These first steps let you edit fluidly and keep footage organized. You build your rough cut on the magnetic timeline, inserting and connecting clips. The magnetic behavior maintains sync without manual nudging. Use JKL for playback and timeline trimming, and open the precision editor to fine-tune cut points when frames matter. Once assembly is solid, add transitions and multicam angles where applicable. Color correction corrects exposure and creates mood. Layer audio using rolls and compound clips. Then use automated ducking and keyframe volume to keep You finish by exporting through the share menu. Pick master file for max quality or a preset for delivery. Make sure codec, bitrate, and color space match your destination. For web, choose H. 264/H. 265 with proper audio format. Once exported, review the file at full resolution to confirm sync and color. If you run into glitches, stalls, weird frames, or export failures, purge render files. Toggle background render and re-import problem clips. These quick fixes usually resolve corrupt cache or codec mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.